Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Bryce Kirkpatrick, Turf Program Director here at Real Turf Solutions. And today we're going to do a little Tuesday tip, kind of our holiday lighting or Christmas lighting, however you kind of prefer that terminology, service that we offer here at Real Turf Solutions. So there's probably some of you out there that's watching the video, you're familiar with kind of how this process works. There's some of you out there that probably doesn't know much about this process, and so you're kind of watching this now to get a little bit more information, and hopefully I can provide some information to kind of answer some questions that you may have for maybe if you decide you want to do that, you already kind of have an idea. So basically our service we offer is a holiday lighting decor service. What we are able to do, we're able to come out, take a look, and do a custom design on your property of your house, shed, anything you really want to do Christmas lights on, we're welcome to do them for you. We offer a variety of different options. And we'll cover a few of those here in just a minute, but it's a 3-year lease program. So what that entitles is basically what you're doing is you're leasing the labor of installation, you're leasing the materials of purchase, and you're leasing the takedown service for 3 years. After 3 years is over with, you can continue to lease, you can continue to do service with us, or we'll actually give you those lights because they will become yours over the 3-year period. There's kind of an initial startup price. The price then goes down on year 2 and year 3, and then obviously after year 3 is over with, the lease is up, and if you want to continue service, then basically we'll come out for a minimum fee to continue to put installation of the Christmas lights up, take them down, and store them for you over the holidays. We're currently in the process right now of getting that situated, and so I've got a little bit of material right here with me, so I'm going to kind of show you a few things. So we offer a couple of different varieties. We don't get too carried away because obviously it's hard for us to keep a big inventory of every single thing, but the most popular stuff we do, or we do these what they call mini rolls. What these are C9. These are LEDs, mini lights that we're able to wrap trees, we're able to wrap bushes, we can wrap columns, pretty much anything that you kind of want to run a little light around, we can do with this particular light here. This is a really good product. We use this to do a lot of trees. And if you check out our Facebook page, realtursolutions.com, there's some showcase work of some jobs we've done last year, and we'll obviously update them some more as we do some this year as well. Another particular light we do, this is the most common one we use for everybody. See if I can get it out of here without tearing it up. This is the C9s. So I know everybody asks me, what is a C9 and what do you use these for? Well, these are the C9 warm white bulbs. They're really simple. They're pretty much LEDs, and so we hang these across either the fascia of the house. We can wrap trees with these. We can wrap bushes with these also. What this allows us to do is kind of give you a little bigger light than the minis I just showed you. The cool thing about these lights, as you can tell, there's no plug on this particular light. So what that allows us to do is it allows us to actually custom fit these lights to your home. So if we're talking about doing the fascia across the house, what we're able to do is we're able to run a string of lights across there, and then let's just say the next run is drop back about 5 feet, and then you run across your front porch. Well, with this product, I can cut this off, put a plug on here, run a jump wire from here to the next run with no lights on it, and then start the lights back again. So therefore, there's no weird area of lights or an area in the corner of the house all bundled up where we had too many. That's not the case with these. We're able to cut these and custom fit them to your home. They're commercial grade. That's one good thing about these. These are not went out and bought at Home Depot or Lowe's or Walmart. These are actually custom ordered as soon as we place orders for your lights and once we talk to you about doing a design for you. These can be mounted either way by clips on the back of the light itself, or we also have clips that help us mount them to the gutters and shingles, and so these are your most popular C9 lights. Another good thing about these lights too is if a bulb goes out, only one bulb goes out, not the whole strand, and all you got to do is unscrew the bulb, screw the bulb in there, and you're back ready to go. So the other thing we've got going on, we also offer some greenery. I'm not going to show you an example of our Garland, but I'll kind of talk about it because it kind of looks like what I'm going to go over. So in our Garland, it comes in 9-foot sections. That allows us to wrap around columns, go over the doorways. We can hang it pretty much anyhow you want to. We can do guardrails on the front porch. We could do railing up the front porch. And it comes in 2 varieties. It comes in lit and unlit, and of course the lights are warm white, so everything matches from the roof line, mini lights to Garland. We also offer some reefs. We have a couple different options in that. This particular reef here is a 24-inch lit reef. It also comes in unlit, so if you don't want to have lights on this, you don't have to. Cool thing about these is when we do your C9 lights across the house, we can neatly tie this reef into your roof line very secretly and easily without noticing a bunch of extra drop cores everywhere. And then of course we also have different options of that. We have a 36-inch that also comes in lit or unlit, and that would be this particular model here. And you can do lit or unlit, like I said. And then of course we also offer a bigger reef known as a 48, and it also comes in it comes in lit or unlit. And so these are just some of the options that we offer here at Realtor Solutions. This is kind of where we can kind of keep it kind of simple a little bit, because unfortunately when it comes to getting all this material, they make a variety of different options out there, and we found that it's easy to stick kind of simple because once we start placing the orders, it's easier for me to call the guy up and go, hey, I need this and this, versus trying to figure out how many different things. But if you're still interested in doing lighting service, if you called us last year and you didn't really decide you want to do it, and maybe you're thinking about doing it this year, or if you're sitting around the house today and you're watching this video and you go, hey, I've been looking for this kind of service, give us a call here at Realtor Solutions at 478-988-0043, or we prefer if you go online to our website, realtorsolutions.com. You can see some website pages there on our showcase page of Christmas lights from last year, and then you can also click on the submit form link, and that'll actually go ahead and you can put your information in there. I'm going to send us an email notifying us that you're interested in getting a price on the lights, and then we'll have someone call you and go ahead and maybe set up a time to talk about it, or they can do it on the phone, and then we can get that price information to you. So something you're looking forward to. We're looking forward to Christmas this year, and we hope everybody has a safe and happy holidays. See you next time.